the idea that can the idiot be interpreted that humans are more inclined to evil? I do think that this is a very interesting question. It's something which is very difficult to be answered, right? Because you think about the situation, you're like, well, are humans more inclined to do good and evil? I think what the Dostoevskian answer would be is this, right? It's like, well, I think what you would say is, well, humans have the intuitive nature to follow the good, though the temptation of evil outweighs humans' intuitive nature to follow the good. So you have both of those sides clashing against each other, and that's a Dostoevskian way to look at it. Man and the existentialist, the Heideggarian way to look at it, right? You have humans as being in this world, and then you have good and evil on both sides. And when you have good and evil on both sides, you have the natural affinity towards the good. The man's search for beauty is going towards the good, but at the same time, although you're going towards the good, you're also moving away from the good, in the sense that, well, the pulling of evil outweighs the intuitive understanding of the good. And that's kind of the realm of the struggle between chaos and order, right? You have order, but then the chaos is always very attractive. It's like kind of like the order of the Garden of Eden, or do you eat the fruit from the tree of good and evil? It's that temptation of the other, the evilness, which is perhaps more strong than your intuitive pull towards the good in the first place. And as a result, you have this wide landscape of suffering between good and evil. And as a result, you see Rogojin and Mushkin pushing against each other. And although Mushkin is what we all are drawn to, we sympathize with Nastasia going to Rogojin, because we know if we were in that situation, we probably would do the same. So there is that gap as well.